Welcome back to JS Biology. In this video you can see there is a file named C10. So it is showing itself in Chromas format itself. So I am opening it with Chromas. Any file that is with the for extension .ab1 can be opened with the Chromas software. So I'll just tick mark the option here. So this is the window which shows the chromatogram analyzed after the complete sequencing process. You can see here 10, 20, 30, there are numbers shown around till more than 600 bases, and there are colorful peaks representing different nucleotides H, T and G, C. So these are so many nucleotides here. Every base, as you can see here, is shown with the different peaks based on the intensity. So we'll come back to the zoomed out part itself. So you can see this long is the sequence of the that is after sequencing what chromatogram we get is this much, and it is showing so many bases, 600 plus bases. Now we can go for extract option here shown on the top left corner and select save as type to FASTA format. Now go back to the file name. You can change the file name, or you can save the file as it is with the same name. Now when I open the same folder, you can see the file C10 FASTA format is ready. Now I'll open it with Notepad. It can be opened with Notepad because it is in FASTA format. Can you see here? As we know, FASTA format starts with a greater than sign followed by the sequence name or whatever, and then we have the ATGC sequence. Not just Notepad format, it can be opened with Mega software also. That is why it is showing M icon based on the file icon that is shown. So there is M representation. Now I'll open this with the, it's not showing up here. You can go up here in home menu and you can open the file in Mega format. So let us wait for it to open in the Mega window. So here is Mega window. Not just that, the alignment window also has been opened up, the alignment explorer window. So I'll go and select that. I'll bring it to the front view. So I'll take this up first and then minimize it so that I get only the alignment explorer window. Okay, both windows got minimized. Now let me open it. So the Mega X alignment explorer window is showing up. Can you see C10 sequence has been loaded already, the first sequence. You can add many sequences here by going to blast results. If you save all the files in that same the same notepad, you can have multiple things. So this is what we are back to Mega X window. Thank you. So this is how we can convert or we can export .ab1 extension files to FASTA format files. This is that easy. We can have a practice if you have an AB1 file. Thank you. Visit this channel for further updates.